Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I'm going to build this outdoor dartboard cabinet. Want to see how I do it? Stay tuned. Gotta get a latch for that. So today I just want to do a quick shout out to all my subscribers. I can't thank you enough. You guys really keep me motivated to make weekly videos. And if you haven't noticed, I've been making weekly videos pretty much for the last 3 years. I've been on YouTube for a little over 4 years, and I just really enjoy making the videos for you guys and seeing all the new subscribers and meeting all new people when I go out to meetups. So I really just wanted to say thank you for being a subscriber and viewing this video. This project here, it was very easy to build, very simple, and if you're interested in plans for this project, drop me a line or a comment below, say yes, I'm interested, and maybe I can whip up some plans and put them on my website. Speaking of my website, I do offer plans on my website. I got some paid plans and I got some free plans over there as well. Not to mention a build article on a lot of my projects, not every one of them, but the website is a work in progress and I am doing it all myself. So it's a learning curve as well. So if you're familiar with my channel and been a subscriber for a while, you know I'm not a master of anything, but I know quite a bit. So I never claim to be the best woodworker in the world, but I never claim that I don't know anything either. So I really like projects like this. They're quick and simple and easy, and I get a lot of satisfaction out of completing a project similar to this. So I got a bunch of videos similar to this, and I encourage you to go check those videos out. Like I said, there's over 400 videos in the on my channel, and I would appreciate it if you go check out a few of them. So thank you. So the dartboard is done. I really like the way this has turned out. I can easily take the dartboard on or off, just like that. So I can take it inside for the winter, or if it's starting to deteriorate or anything like that, I can take it inside and store it inside. The darts I probably will, just so they don't get rusty or anything. But for the most part, it is really a nice feature to my outside back porch. I've been spending a lot of time outside in the summer this year, and I've kind of redid all the patio furniture, you know, painted them and made a few end tables like my last video, just to, you know, sprucing up my back porch a little bit, because I really like spending time out here. And this might be just one other reason to come out here and play some darts. I am thinking about putting some LEDs on the inside, just battery operated LEDs. Maybe if I want to come out here at night and drink a beer and shoot some darts. I really hope you enjoyed this project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.